Key Sweat responds to 50 Cent after he had an issue with him performing in Shreveport.
Hold on. I got 12 goddamn dances. Y'all better come up with some other shit. I got or 4 need to go home. I got 12 goddamn dances. Somebody better come up with some shit for that little bit of time.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, whatever y'all do, somebody gotta do something. I don't wanna be up there. They'll be like, what the fuck? We got 12 dances. Where they at? 2 better come, 3. 1, at least 1. Somebody better do something, shit. See, I'm doing this. This is my performance in Shreveport right here. Shreveport! Shreveport, I'm singing for you. I'm doing my Zoom performance. You know, I know Shreveport will be lit. The 9th and 10th of Shreveport, CH. What's the date of Shreveport, baby? August 10th? There's more days than August 10th. Yo, I'm doing this for Shreveport for August 8th through the 11th. 50, you couldn't come to my New York band, Keep City guy. So I figured Shreveport deserves it, because I love you, Shreveport. But 50 dropping the ball, baby. You dropped the ball. The ball is dropping from the apple, baby. I'm gonna be in the apple. So Shreveport, I just felt I would send you this up close and personal. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing better than this. 50, do you hear me? 50. You said you were gonna put the barrel of the knife on me. Why did you do it to me? That was wrong back in the day. That was wrong. Don't you hear me say? How could you tell me you was gonna me? How could you tell me you was gonna rob me? Oh no. That was wrong. If LSG was together, we'll sing an LSG song. Something just ain't right. Oh, damn, you wasn't right. Let me stop that shit. Yo, August 3rd, make sure you come key to the city. You know, New York City, I'm getting the key to the city, New York City, August 3rd, make sure you come, live performance. I might bring some of them, but they might not come. I don't know, depending on how they act. That's my dancers, that's my band. Oh, I don't know, he might not be here. One on the list. Turn the light on. Turn the light on so I can see. Turn the light up. That one right there, he do too much. That one right there, he do too much. He might not be, I have to give you too much. What don't you do? He might not did, so. Anyway, so if y'all see him, I already shouted it out. He might not did. But anyway, let's do the first song, so we're gonna stop. Let's go.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.